Hello everyone and welcome to another video on the channel. In today's video we are going to be talking about the best pairs to trade in 2022. Alright, so first of all I want to divide most pairs into two sections. Alright, you have scalp pairs and you have swing pairs. Now what do we mean by that? With scalp pairs we mean that these pairs are not likely to have very big movements over long periods of time. Okay, they have good movements, but it's more short term. All right, maybe it's for minutes or hours or sometimes a couple days, but it is not designed to hold a trade for weeks and even months in a row. All right, as you guys probably already know, our main focus is swing. All right, on our trading style, we hold several trades for lots of weeks and sometimes a couple months, and in the meanwhile we use scalps as well on that same pair. All right, so as you can see, an example of scalp pairs would be most USD pairs. They're not likely to be swinging pairs. All right, they're usually more scalp pairs like EURUSD, GBPJPY, all that stuff. All like USD CAD, all that stuff. There aren't really swing pairs. There are more, for intraday stuff. And you have to know the pair that you're trading. You have to know how to trade it. All right, you can't expect EURUSD to be a huge swing pair. All right, so you have to know what to expect. And then on the other side, for example, the yen pairs, as you guys know, we trade GBPJPY only. Those are swing pairs, all right? And not only GBPJPY, we have NZDJPY, AUDZD, EURUSD, all that stuff. They're great swing pairs. And we'll get to the charts in a minute. So what can you do with scalp pairs? Well, the word says it, all right? You can only scalp it. The thing is, with scalp pairs, you can't swing it. All right, but on the other hand, you have swing pairs like yen, for example, that are very beautiful to trade swinging. But the thing is, those swing pairs, you can also scalp them. All right, there are scalp setups, obviously. Okay, and there are obviously more examples. We have the NZD pairs, and we have the these pairs and the that and all that stuff. But I want to talk about these main ones. All right, so let us get to the chart. Let us take a look, for example, on the weekly time frame at GBPJPY. And let's just look a little bit in history. So as you can see, these are swing trades. Okay, these are swing trades. All right, long periods of time, very big movements. All right, this is a 2-year movement, all right, of over 12,000 pips. Okay, these are swing trades. Another one. Okay, beautiful swing trade over here. This bad boy took, I don't know, pretty long time, all right, to make an actual reversal. Okay, this literally took from 2012 to 3 years, all right, almost exactly 3 years to make a reversal. All right, it's over 7,000 pips. Beautiful swing movements. Okay, from the high to the next low. Again, this took over a year. All right, 7,000 pips again. All lots and lots of big moves. Again, big move up, big move down, all supply and demand, as you can see, usual stuff. Again, another big move up. All right, so you can see that these movements are very big on GBPJPY, just beautifully. All right, and now let's take a look at, for example, EURUSD. Let's see what this pair brings us. As you can see, this pair is more, it has some big movements, okay, which are not too bad, but they aren't for very long. Okay, you can see a lot of ranging. Okay, here we had actually some more up moves, quite some years ago, over 10 years ago, we actually had some bigger moves, but it's not really showing a trend. Okay, it's just, yes, it's going up, it's going down, again, it's going up, and it's staying in the same range. Okay, it's not really showing any momentum, not like this move, for example, which actually showed some change. Okay, but as you can see, Euro USD here, well, actually here, but this is a very long time ago already. Obviously, there's a lot more money right now in the markets. Here, there was actually some nice changes. Okay, from down move to up move. But since 2008, it's been going up and down, not really showing a very big market change. And especially now, you can see how it's just ranging. This is quite a long time, guys. This is from 2015 to 2016. This is well, actually, from December 2014 to December 2000, this is 2 years just ranging, guys. Okay, you can't really say this is swing trading. And then we had actually a pretty good move, and then again, a lot of ranging. I mean, these price ranges, they're very, very small. Okay, these price changes, they're just moving from 1 1617 to 109 in a very long period of time. Not a lot of change. So this isn't really swing trading. Here there was actually some movement. Okay, so as you can see, EURUSD does have some solid moves, but only at the true edges. Okay, all in between is just ranging and ranging a lot. You can see this is just you can't swing this. All right, it's impossible. So maybe a next possible swing trade would be down here at the weekly on Euro USD. Maybe this is an interesting level to look at. All right, will be at 108. But as you can see, this is a pretty big difference with GBPJPY or any yen pair. Let's take a look at NZDJPY, for example, also on the weekly. As you can see, also had some pretty strong moves on this pair. We actually can't see further back in time, but as you can see, it did range a little bit here, but you can see that it was a clear down move. Okay, actually from a higher point where you can just literally add positions, swing positions. Okay, so you can see that there's a level right here, then another level right here. You can just swing your way down um, on this pair, and now as you can see, we are again back to another weekly level and reacting to it, and probably there's a good chance that we'll go to the next weekly level, which would be this area right here, where there's still quite a lot of pips, 1,200 pip move, and then you have the true edge over here, obviously. So you can see that this pair is moving more aggressively than euro. There's also more price changes. So this is what I mean with swing and scalp pairs. You have to understand, first of all, what kind of trader you are, which we explained in a previous video where we talk about how to create a Forex trading system, okay, which I'll leave the link somewhere around here in the right corner where you can take a look at it. So once you figured out what type of trader you are, you can choose what type of pair you want to be trading for your business. Okay, and I say business because trading is a business in the end. Okay, it's not just some game that we're playing. We're this is a true business. Okay, and you have your losses, you have your wins. So this is your your profit and your expenses. Okay, you need to have daily, weekly, monthly reports of your trading business. It has to be taken very seriously. It doesn't have to be taken lightly. Okay, so yeah, guys, this is just a small short video about um, Forex pairs, on how to choose which ones are good to trade for you. Obviously, you have to keep in mind, apart from being a swing trader or a scalper, what pairs have a lot of volume. Okay, so if you're looking at pairs like AUD, NZD, or something like that, which are countries that are very similar and right next to each other, is not going to be a lot of movements. All right, let's just take a look actually at the pair AUD, NZD. There's probably not going to be too much movement on pairs like that, and probably going to be ranging quite a lot. As you can see, this is just, guys, you can't swing this. Okay, this is just ranging for years and years Why? Because there's literally nothing going on between these two countries. There's no problems, no wars, no political, BS going on. That is why this pair is just ranging, okay, and nothing is gonna happen, with this pair, because it will just go up and down a little bit, very small price range. And this could be a pair that you say, okay, this is good for some scalps. Maybe in the 15 minute you can, you can see some supply and demand scalps, but this is not going to be some crazy pair, okay, that you say, okay, we're in an actual trend, and I can hold these trades for days, weeks, in a row. Okay, so guys, you have to figure that out for yourself. First of all, what type of trader you are, and second of all, you need to see what type of pair it is, and if it has enough volume for your desired trading system. All right, guys, so hope you like this video. We'd appreciate a like, or a sub if you haven't already. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below. We'll be more than glad to help you out. And if you're looking for more in-depth training, then you can always take a look at our link in our description, where you will take a good look at our website and see maybe our case study video. And if you want, book a free discovery call with one of the coaches of our team. So yeah, guys, hope you like this video, and we'll see you in the next one.